USCIS is finally paying attention to conditional permanent residence, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about some exciting updates in regards to the I-751 removal of conditions. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ksenia. I make videos for people who are going through the family green card process. I'm not an attorney. My videos are based on public information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers, and the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. USCIS has been coming out with a lot of different updates. For my channel, I don't cover every single immigration update that happens because my specialty is in family-based immigration. That is because that's something that I personally went through. That is something that I'm comfortable helping other people with. And I have gained over the past 5 years quite a lot of experience in this area. So I like sharing it with all of you. A couple of months ago, I made a video talking about policy memos that have come out. One of them had to do with the fact that they will no longer be waiving interviews for spousal green card cases for adjustment of status. The interview waivers were originally implemented during the COVID times to ease off the burdens on field offices. USCIS rescinded this practice this year, so people who were hoping to get a waiver of their marriage-based interview were, after all, invited to their green card interview. But I have noticed something exciting happening with the I-751 applications. Firstly, is that the I-751 process is finally speeding up. I've seen many posts now who applied for removal of conditions this year in 2025 who were able to complete their entire process for removal of conditions in only a few months, like 3 to 4 months. What I'm also starting to notice is that USCIS is also beginning to waive I-751 interviews, which hasn't really been the case in the past few years. So not only the I-751 process used to take 2 years or sometimes even longer, you also were almost always invited to an interview. Most of the time, it was an interview that was joint for removal of conditions and naturalization because of how long the removal of conditions process was taking. But because of the faster processing times of I-751s, USCIS is more likely to now waive an interview. I would definitely make sure that I provide as much evidence of my marital relationship to USCIS as possible. Another exciting update in regards to I-751 is that USCIS has also streamlined this process and made it possible for you to apply for removal of conditions online. And I do have a guide for the online I-751 process in my removal of conditions playlist. I also have a few videos on other important removal of conditions topics, such as what happens if you file it late. But yeah, so I just wanted to quickly jump on here and let you guys know that the I-751 process is not only speeding up, but also is improving significantly. If you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!